A lot of people are struggling to make rent right now, and they could be in danger of losing their homes starting tomorrow, either through eviction or if you're an owner through foreclosure. The ban on evictions and foreclosures in Florida that was put in place by the governor in April is set to expire tomorrow. And as of right now, he has not announced any plan to extend that. For In Your Corner's Rob Manch has been speaking with an eviction attorney to get more perspective for you on your options. Rob?
I spoke with attorney Holly Crosby here in Fort Myers today. She specializes in evictions, and she says if the governor's executive order expires tomorrow, the courtrooms here at the Lee County Justice Center are about to get a lot more busy. The data from the Department of Economic Opportunity shows unemployment is now at almost 13% in Florida, the highest it's been in more than 40 years. But thanks to the governor's executive order, more than 1 million people who are currently accepting unemployment can at least keep a roof over their head. But on Tuesday, that all comes to an end.
Everything has just been hitting this wall, and if the governor doesn't extend tomorrow, that dam's going to break. And it's just going to be a flood of litigation.
Here in Lee County, more than 11,000 people filed for relief through the county's homelessness prevention program just last week. But if they missed payments in previous months and their landlord has already sent them a notice, Crosby says that landlord can immediately start eviction proceedings.
A lot of people are what I call standing on the edge of the double Dutch ropes. They're just sort of waiting to see what's going to happen, and June 2nd, they jump in and get going.
But Crosby says because so many landlords are expected to file, it'll take a lot longer than usual.
I usually, uncontested, was able to get an eviction done in 30 days or maybe a little less. And I think that time frame is really unrealistic at this point. I think that landlords are going to just have to, and if I were to predict, I would say probably it's going to be double that.
But ultimately, Crosby says she hopes most people can stay out of the legal system and in their homes.
My full belief as far as litigating and lawyering goes, is that when somebody gets to court, everybody loses. So try to work it out.
But if the eviction ban goes away tomorrow here in Florida, there is still one exception to the rule. Federally backed mortgages are still protected from foreclosure until June 30th. Those come from either Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae, so those homeowners would still have a little bit of breathing room. In Fort Myers, Rob Manch, Fox 4, In Your Corner.